Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a kind of like smoke effect in Adobe Illustrator CC. So you're just going to want to grab this line segment tool and you're just going to want to create a straight line. Make sure you add a stroke to that, maybe around 0.5 points or 0.75 points ish. And then I'm just going to copy that and paste it and put it next to it like so. Select both lines, go to Object, Blend, and select Make, and then make sure you go to Object, Blend, Blend Options, and select the specified steps to around 100. Let's see. Blend options, preview. Let's try 80. Okay, I'm just going to do 80 for now. Press OK. Select this pen tool, and you're just going to draw something like this. I don't know what kind of shape this is, but you're just going to draw something like that. Oops, make sure you connect it though. Once you're done, you're going to place this object on top of this one. Make sure it's the same length. If it's not, you can definitely adjust it to make it the same length as the smoke. Add it on top. Select both, go to Object, Envelope Distort, and select Make with Top Object. It's going to look weird at first, but if you go to Effect and you go to Blur and select Gaussian Blur, it's going to create this kind of smoke effect, and you can adjust the how blurry you want it to be. Press OK, and there you have your kind of smoke effect on Adobe Illustrator CC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!